Well, go on traders, yeah, the traders here again. All right, so as you know, I come straight every time. I give you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and I'm gonna keep this one very short. Mullen, guys, Mullen, what's going on? Mullen has reached its all-time low yesterday. So this low was, I think, a part of the overall market impact with regards to what the Feds did yesterday in terms of the interest rate hike, although it was expected, but it impacted the overall market greatly. So if we take a look at the SPY, so the SPY actually saw a little flat. It was basically flat in the morning. It ran up before I think the announcement 402, and then as the announcement came in, it fell by $10 all the way to 392, and this was the overall effect on stocks in the market yesterday. All the stocks dropped yesterday. You got a little pop up, then it just fell. So if we take a look at Yahoo Finance to see what happened, as you can see, the TSX was down almost 1%. The S&P, 1.65% down. The Dow was down also. But Mullen took the brunt of the hits yesterday, guys. 16% down, almost 17% down. This is one of the biggest drops I've seen since recently from Mullen. The Mullen went up, slightly 2.3% in pre-market, but the overall impact on Mullen yesterday was that there was a huge sell-off yesterday, almost 50 million shares. So we're hovering around 300 million prior to yesterday, but now we're down to 250 million thereabout. So a huge sell-off yesterday. There was a tons of volume that came in, and I think this is more selling volume than buying volume, 415 million compared to the average of 220. So when I speak about the market, the overall impact, we take a look at the comps. So the comps, Lucid fell 3%, Xpeng fell 2%, Neo fell 2%, Rivian fell over 2%. So overall, guys, the market was pretty much red yesterday, but Mullen took the brunt of that impact. So let's take a look and see what's going on with the options on Mullen. So in terms of the options on Mullen, the calls that came in was 25,000 yesterday, open interest at 16,000 for tomorrow, for the following week 15,000, and for the next week 7,000. So Mullen overall, we're hoping that Mullen will hold the support that we saw when it fell down to the 1250. So there was a big rejection. It dropped to the all-time low a couple of days ago. It went up. There was a big rejection here when it came back down. Big rejection. It had been trending up. I wouldn't say nicely, but at least it had been trending up. Then yesterday, guys, this is what happened. It fell through the bottom, and we are down to our new all-time low. With a little bit of reprieve, went up back slightly. So we are down to our all-time low. So as I said before, for Mullen to show some signs of life, we actually needed for it to show a strong rejection like a pop-up, 5 or 10 cent upwards. So we can see that yes, this is where all the buyers are coming in, or this is where the short squeeze is happening. But so far we're just seeing this stair stepping downwards, and we're now at the all-time low. So guys, even with the RSI being oversold now, in the oversold level, the MACD is basically flat. Right now, we don't know where the bottom of this trend will be because we're not seeing any support being built as yet. So, we can just basically, keep our eyes peeled to see what happens next. Will it be a green day today, seeing that yesterday was red all over? But, with all the news that came out on Mullen, it has not really moved the stock that much. So hopefully the market conditions will get better in terms of, as I said, seeing that it was a huge red day yesterday. Hopefully, we'll get some turnaround on stocks today. All right, so that's kind of what I have for you guys. As I said, not good news, but I have to give it to you straight. So as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.